Oh, yeah?
Yeah!
Well, I don't see your name on it.
Can I have a blanket? Thanks. You wanna do something?
I don't know, do you have something in mind?
Well, maybe we could play a game of cricket.
Do you even know how to play cricket?
No?
Neither do I.
I guess we can't do that then.
No. We can't.
It was just a suggestion.
Do you ever think that we're just tiny people, right? We're super tiny and that trees are our enemies?
What? No.
Oh.
What was that?
How am I supposed to know? Okay? I'm in the same room as you, experiencing the same exact thing as you. How am I supposed to know what it was when I'm in the same situation as you? What was that?
Really? You just gave me this whole spiel about how you, don't know what to...
Maybe we should go see what that is.
No.
Why not?
That's how people die in horror films.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Maybe we should go see what that is.
Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
What is this?
It's for protection.
What is that going to protect?
It's gonna protect, okay?
It's not going to do anything.
It is.
No,
okay?
it's not. It's not doing nothing.
It's the
not,
concept. It's
you're
not
not doing anything. Get the light.
Okay, here we go.
Get the light.
Alright, I'll get the light. Hold on.
I'll watch out here.
Okay, give me a second. Oh!
What is it?
Oh!
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 Man!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh!
Man!
Oh! It's disgusting.
Oh my god!
It's like all my worst
Oh
dreams
my
combined
God.
into it. Just the oh god! Oh! He's dry heaving. Oh! Oh! Wait, I don't know if it's that bad.